Every night when you close your eyes, something extraordinary is happening that most people don't even realize. Your subconscious mind, this hidden, powerful part of you, is wide open, absorbing impressions, replaying patterns, and shaping the reality you will wake up to. Imagine if you could use those hours of rest not only to recharge your body, but also to program your mind for success, abundance, and your dream life. What if the key to manifesting everything you desire wasn't about endless hours of affirmations during the day, but simply about mastering the art of manifesting while you sleep? This isn't some far-fetched fantasy. It's rooted in how the brain actually works, and once you learn how to use it, you'll never look at sleep the same way again. Most people think manifestation is just about saying what you want and hoping it magically appears. That's why they get frustrated when nothing changes. But here's the truth. Manifestation is about alignment, and alignment is controlled by the subconscious mind. During the day, your conscious mind is busy analyzing, doubting, and filtering everything. But when you fall asleep, the gatekeeper, the conscious mind, steps aside. That's when suggestions, emotions, and beliefs sink directly into the subconscious. And the subconscious doesn't judge. It doesn't say, "That's not realistic." It simply accepts what you feed it, and then works to create situations, decisions, and opportunities that reflect those beliefs. Think about it. Have you ever fallen asleep after watching a scary movie and then dreamed about monsters or shadows? Or maybe you went to bed thinking about someone and they randomly called you the next day. These aren't coincidences. They are proof that your last thoughts before sleep become the seeds planted in your subconscious. And just like seeds, they grow, even while you're not paying attention. The only difference is most people unknowingly plant weeds instead of flowers. They go to bed worrying about bills, replaying mistakes, or scrolling through negativity. Then they wake up wondering why their life feels heavy and stuck. So, how do you flip the script? How do you intentionally use your sleep to manifest your dream life? It starts with something deceptively simple, setting the stage for your subconscious before you drift off. Let's walk through this step by step. The first step is clarity. You can't manifest what you can't define. Before sleep, you need a crystal clear picture of what you want. Not vague wishes like, "I want to be rich," or "I want to be happy." The subconscious responds to images, emotions, and specificity. So instead, imagine what your dream life looks like in vivid detail. See yourself waking up in the bedroom you've always wanted, stepping into the job or business that excites you, laughing with people you love. The clearer and more emotionally charged the image, the stronger the impression on your subconscious. The second step is emotion. Thoughts are the blueprint, but emotions are the glue. When you feel gratitude, joy, or excitement as if your dream is already real, your subconscious treats it as fact. Before sleep, don't just think about your dream car. Feel your hands on the steering wheel. Don't just imagine financial freedom. Feel the peace of knowing all your needs are taken care of. That emotional charge is what imprints the vision onto your inner mind. The third step is repetition. The subconscious learns through patterns. That's why songs get stuck in your head after you hear them over and over. So, create a simple nighttime ritual that you repeat consistently. It could be listening to a short affirmation recording as you fall asleep, writing down one powerful sentence about your dream life every night, or visualizing for 5 minutes in bed before drifting off. It doesn't have to be complicated. Consistency is what matters. The fourth step is silence. Here's where most people sabotage themselves. They do the visualization, they feel the emotion, and then they go back to scrolling on their phone until they pass out. What they don't realize is the last thing you focus on before sleep is the most powerful. If it's chaos, fear, or distraction, that's what your subconscious holds on to. So, give yourself the gift of silence. Once you've planted the seed of your vision, let that be the final imprint before you surrender to sleep. Now, you might be thinking, does this really work? The answer is yes, and it's not just spiritual fluff, it's psychological conditioning. Athletes use this. They visualize scoring goals or winning races before bed. High achievers write out their goals at night so their subconscious keeps working on them while they sleep. Even Thomas Edison, one of the greatest inventors, used to take short naps holding metal balls in his hands. As soon as he drifted into that dreamlike state, he'd drop the balls, wake up, and write down the ideas that surfaced. He knew that the state between wakefulness and sleep was a goldmine for creativity and manifestation. You can tap into the same power. Imagine going to bed tonight with a clear picture of your dream life, feeling the joy of already living it, and letting your subconscious carry that energy into the night. While you rest, your inner mind begins aligning your beliefs, attracting new ideas, and nudging you toward opportunities that match your vision. Over time, your outer world shifts because your inner world has been reprogrammed. But here's the catch. Manifesting while you sleep isn't about lying in bed and expecting a miracle. It's about planting seeds and then aligning your actions with them during the day. If you go to sleep visualizing health, but spend your days ignoring your body, there's a disconnect. If you dream about wealth but keep repeating old financial habits, nothing changes. The nighttime practice rewires your subconscious, but your daytime choices water the seeds. That's where the magic happens, when thought and action merge. So tonight, when you lay your head on the pillow, don't let the chaos of the day be the last voice your mind hears. Instead, choose your vision. Close your eyes and step into it as if it's already yours. Feel it so deeply that it lingers in your dreams. And when you wake up, carry that energy into your day. Because every night, you are literally programming your future. You can either do it by default with worry and doubt, or you can do it deliberately with intention and faith. The truth is, your dream life isn't waiting in some faraway future. It's waiting inside you, ready to be expressed. And sleep, something you already do every night, is the bridge that can bring it out. The choice is yours. Will you go to bed planting weeds, or will you plant flowers that grow into the life you've always imagined? When you truly understand this, sleep stops being just a break from the world. It becomes the most powerful tool you have to shape it. Tonight is your chance. Close your eyes, plant the vision, feel the joy, and let your subconscious go to work. Because while the world sleeps, your dream life is already being born.